Learning Japanese looks impossible. But what if I told you you can learn all of hiragana using weird, funny images like this? Today, I'm going to teach you hiragana using mnemonics that actually stick in your brain. The hiragana is the foundation of Japanese. If you master this, you unlock reading, speaking, everything. But instead of boring memorization, we are going to use visual memory tricks because your brain loves weird images. Section 1. Vowels. Let's start easy, the vowels. This is a. Looks like the letter A, right? Find the capital A in a. I. This is I. Looks like two eels. A couple of eels equals I. U. This is U. Looks like a U shape. Find the U in U. E. This is E. Looks like a weird bird laying eggs. Exotic bird laying eggs. E. O. This is O. Looks like two O's. Two O symbols. O. See how easy that is? Now let's level up. Section 2. Ka. This is ka. Looks like a mosquito. Ka. Mosquito. Ki. This is ki. Looks like a key. Ki. Key. Ku. This is ku. Looks like a bird shouting cuckoo. Ke. This is ke. Wiggly seaweed. Ko. This is ko. Two worms living together. Pause the video right now. What was ki again? Key, exactly. Section 3. Let's go faster now. Sa, chunky salsa. Shi, shepherd's hook. S, a wild swing. Se, looks like a set of sharp vampire teeth. Like a sexy vampire smiling at you. Set of sexy teeth. So, looks like a mouth slurping soda. You can almost hear it slurp. Soda. Taco. Chi, say cheese. Tsu, big wave. If you're still watching, you're already ahead of 90% of people trying to learn Japanese. Alright, pause for a second. You just learned a big part of hiragana. And if this already feels easier than you expected, that's because your brain remembers images way better than boring memorization. But we're not done yet. In part 2, I'm going to show you the rest of hiragana. And more importantly, how to actually read real Japanese words. So here's what I want you to do. Comment below which one was your favorite mnemonic so far. And if this helped you even a little bit, hit that like button. Subscribe, because I'm going to make learning Japanese the easiest thing you've ever done.